Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your proxy voting on Broadridge, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your proxy voting on Broadridge, start by visiting the Broadridge website. Once on the home page, look for the Proxy Voting section. Click on the link that directs you to Proxy Voting Services. You may need to log in using your credentials. If you're a first-time user, look for the option to create a new account. After logging in, navigate to the section labeled My Votes or Vote Now. You will see a list of upcoming shareholder meetings that require your vote. Select the meeting for which you wish to update your proxy vote. Review the proxy materials and the proposals listed. Decide how you want to cast your vote on each proposal. Select your voting choices for the proposals. If you want to change a previous vote, look for the option that allows you to modify your selections. Once you have made your choices, carefully review them for accuracy. After confirming your selections, proceed to submit your vote. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your vote has been updated successfully. Make sure to save any confirmation details for your records. If you encounter issues, refer to Broadridge's customer support for assistance. Follow any additional instructions provided during the voting process. Once everything is completed, log out of your account for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.